Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about Google Lens, what it is and what you can use it for. So open your Google Play Store and download Google Lens. Although you can use it without the Google Play Store, like you can use it on your Chrome browser. So but if you like to own the app, you just go ahead and download it. So Google Lens is an image recognition technology that is developed by Google. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze images and provide information or perform actions based on what it identified. So for instance, you can take a picture of a food and it will be able to tell you, oh, this is the kind of food based on what it feels that image is. So sometimes it can be wrong, sometimes it will be right. So you just have to, you know, take the image very well and give the correct details. So if you've downloaded it from Google Play Store, just click on open and it will open. So just you're going to click on search with camera. So for this thing now, this is a homework. So you have to click on homework. Then when you take a picture of it, then it will be like Google will search for the answer for this particular equation. So if you find the answer, you can go ahead and check how it is being solved. If you don't want it, then forget about it. So but when you open your Chrome browser, you see this camera icon. That is how you can use Google Lens. So I'm just going to scan with camera. This is native pair, and I'm going to check to see what it will call it. So just press the shutter, and then you will need data connection. Yes, need data connection. So they will ask you, did you find this result? So you can say yes or no. So that they would actually take feedback to improve their results and all. So this is native pair, and then based on the image and the results I saw on, they are the same thing. So it is good that this one searched out the correct image. So it is now left for you to do one thing or the other you want with the image. You can just check out the different websites that the brought out, or you can actually search for different information. Assuming this was a food, like on the menu, you can just search for the location of the restaurant that is serving it. So that's one thing you can do with Google. There are so many things that you can do with Google Lens apart from searching with your camera. So I'm going to search for this tomato and see what it's going to call it. So just tap your shutter button so that it will capture the image. But note that you have to arrange it very well so that you can get optimum result. Like if you don't arrange your images very well, you will not get optimum results. So you can just go over the title and know what it is for. If it's just for you to search, you just search. If it's for to know places that this particular tomato is available, you have to put on your location for you to be able to use this service. If it's for shopping, you still have to put on your location. If it's just for you to search, then just snap it and search. They will tell you what kind of food to eat, if it's scotch bonnet pepper, if it's atarugu or whatever, and other information you need to know about it. So this Google Lens, it's actually a cool feature to use. So even like for instance, you don't know the name of a flower, you can just snap the flower. Once you get the image of the flower and you are sure that you have network on your phone, just search online, you'll be able to see You'll be able to see the name of the flower. You'll be able to see many things about the flower. The only option is that you have to do what? You have to have data, and you have to take a good picture of the image. Then if you are using it in a dark place, you have the option of putting on you see your flashlight. So another thing it does also is translation. Although this one may not be 100% correct, but to an extent it's got this stuff I was trying to search for. Gini bu aha gi? What is your name? Like it got it correctly from Igbo to English. So assuming that text is not an Igbo text, you have to change Igbo and put Yoruba or Hausa or whatever language it is, so that you can get the correct word, the correct meaning. So for instance, Ekaro is good morning in Yoruba, but because this stuff is still in Igbo, you see, it's showing cost, of which cost is not the meaning of Ekaro, unless my Yoruba friends have something else to say about it. But because I've changed it to Yoruba, you see it's showing now, it's not showing good morning, it's not showing good morning. So that is to tell you that you have to put it in the right language. Like if it's Igbo language to English you want to translate it, make sure that what is showing is what Igbo to English, not Yoruba to English. So please, this is one thing you have to note. Although it will not give you the call like 100% accurate answer. Like Ndewo for instance, Ndewo is a general Igbo greeting that you can greet anybody, even group of people, good morning, good afternoon. It does not just mean hello. Hello, it's not Ndewo. So you can see that they've interpreted and translated what they want, but that is not it. So also images also can be wrong. Like this is an African, what do they call it? Is it barefoot or what? No, it's not barefoot, but because the image, the back looks like all these ones that they are showing, it did not pick the correct image at once, because I had to like take it several times, search for it, so that I'll be able to at last get the meaning of this. And how I even got the meaning was that I still had to open it and take pictures of the opening. You understand? So that people will say, okay, this thing looks like this. This is how it is, and how you have to just make it in such a way that make it easy for this particular lens. Just make it easy. Okay, look at now. I had to peel that stuff, and when I peeled it, it's still calling this cello tomato. So when I saw it, I laughed out loud. Though this is not tomato. Some were even saying it's egg yolk. Does it look like egg yolk? Well, maybe it does look like egg yolk, but it is not an egg yolk. So it was now when I did that, when I now opened the seed, like to show, when I now opened the, should I call it mesoka, to show the seed. That was now when this Google Lens was able to really pick and say, okay, this is what this thing is. And they do what they could take is monkey cola plant. So achicha, according to some villages, or ochicha, according to some villages, is monkey cola, or as Google Lens would say, monkey cola. So this is the right fruit I'm looking for. Like this is the right fruit I'm looking for, the right image I'm looking for. So you can use Google Lens for so many things. You can use it to even scan barcodes and QR codes. You can use it to do homework. You can use it to do translation. You can use it to catch phone, or even identify objects that you know nothing about. For instance, that azora flower, and assuming there are many other things too, and even this monkey cola, I just got to know the name of the English name based on the fact that I did what I scanned it using Google Scan. So I hope this helps, and I hope you can use your Google Scan. Don't forget you can use your Google Lens. Sorry, don't forget you can use the app, or alternatively open your Chrome browser and use it from your Chrome browser. I hope you enjoy using it as much as I enjoy making this video. If you learned something in this video, I'd like for you to tell me in the comment section what you learned. Have you heard of Google Lens before? If yes, have you used it before? If yes, what different thing, what new thing did you learn today? If you've not heard of it before or used it before, would you mind trying it out for something? Maybe that fruit you've been asking for the English name. Why not use Google Lens to search for it, so that you will see what it is or what the name is called. So thank you for watching my video. I've come to the end of the video today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.